Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosy Hernandez. If you're new, welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notifications so that I don't get lost in this YouTube world. This video is meant for those who don't really know what it means to respect your parents. How do you respect them? Because a lot of teenagers, even adults, they'll be like, how am I disrespecting you? How is that disrespectful? Well, I'm here to tell you how and why it's disrespectful when you do certain things. So first of all, respect there's a lot to do with energy. The energy that you give off when you're talking to someone, when you're looking at them, even just listening to them or texting them or being on the phone, whatever it is, sending an email, there's an energy behind everything. So if you have an energy of respect, it's gonna come off when you speak or text or whatever. A lot of it has to do with attitude. A lot of parents will say, you're giving me an attitude. And let me tell you, so like, let's say that your parent says, hey, you need to wash the dishes. And you say, yeah, sure, okay, I'll wash them in 5 minutes. That's a form of respect because you're agreeing with them, tone of voice was low, you didn't sound like you were giving an attitude. So let's say your parent says, stop, Caesar's trying to play with me. If your parent says, hey, you need to wash the dishes, it's your turn tonight, and you say, okay, I'm gonna do it, okay, I'm gonna do it. That is being disrespectful because number one, that's your parent. You don't talk to your parent like you would to a friend or someone else. You don't talk to them like that. You have to respond with respect. Respond more like, yeah, I know, I'm gonna do it, don't worry. Something like that. Like instead of, yeah, I know, I'm gonna do it, okay, don't worry. Why would you get an attitude? Why would you get mad? Why would you raise your voice? That right there is just like, so the 3 things you need to keep in mind. Tone of voice. Is it high? Is it low? Does it go up because you get mad? Your eyes. Are you opening your eyes wide? Are you rolling your eyes? Your eyes say a lot. Keep your eyes normal, like respect. You respect your parent. The 3rd thing is energy. You have an attitude. Are you responding with an attitude? It's the kind of energy you have. Or do you have a nice energy? Are you responding with clarity? Like you understand, you understand what they're asking of you and you're not mad at them or giving them attitude. What is attitude? You doing your head like this, you changing your tone of voice. It's the tone of voice, the eyes, your attitude, energy. Keep those things in mind when you talk to your parents about anything, because one of these days your parents could lose it with you. They might just lose it and just backhand you or like smack. I don't know, man. Like it's real. I want you to understand that I don't mean that you say yes to everything that your parents say. I understand you have to speak out. You have to speak up for yourself. You have to have like your own freedom of speech, your own identity. I'm not saying don't be who you are. All I'm saying is when you choose to respond, talk to your parent a certain way, make sure that it comes from a space of respect and knowing your place, knowing that they are up here and you're down here. You think you know it all, but you don't. They know a lot more than you. So you need to treat them as such. You can't treat them like you're equals because you're not equals. They are your parents. So you stay down here, they're up here. It'll forever be like that. Even for me with my parents, I have to respect them. I can't disrespect them. Even if I feel like, well, now I have 2 children and I'm married and I know more. I might know a lot, but I can't just talk to them the way I want to talk to them. Even though sometimes I slip and I do disrespect them and I do talk to them a certain way. But you know what? My mom, she'll cut that quick. She'll say, what? Huh? How are you? What's going on? And then I remember, oops, sorry, I can't talk to you like that. You just have to be reminded sometimes, and your parents are gonna remind you. Your parents are gonna say, don't talk to me like that. Don't look at me, what did you say? And the worst thing you could do is keep the attitude going, responding to them. When they say, what did you say? Just shut up. Shut up and walk away. Say, nothing, mom, switch it up because they are saying, you're disrespecting me, be quiet. But if They say, what did you say? I said, no, why this? That's not good. That's like, you're grounded. You're not doing this. Why would they care about you if you don't care about them? Why would they care that you want to go out and that you want to do X, Y, and Z when you're disrespecting them and you're not showing any respect? They're not going to care. I'm trying to have your back. Be a good son, daughter, and respect your parents. If I'm not clear enough in this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you don't understand so I can make another video, because I really want to help you guys out. I really want you guys to be in good terms with your parents so that you have a great and happy life, because they control most of your life, believe it or not, until you're 19, 20, out of the house, living on your own. So you want to have a good relationship with your parents. This is essential in your life, okay? You want your parents to have your back, to think fondly of you. When they think of you, you want them to think like nice thoughts, nice things. You don't want them thinking bad things. Why? Because they are the ones that have your back more than anyone. They're the ones that are gonna push you, that are gonna be there for you whenever you need anything. So you want their support, and the way you're gonna get their support is by you respecting them. So this is why what I have to say matters, okay? So pay attention as to how you need to respect them. Let me know down below if you understand what I'm talking about. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys on my next video. All right, writers. Besitos.